Canadian counties. At 6:14, a large and extremely dangerous tornado was located 4 miles northwest of Union City, moving to the east at 35 miles an hour. In addition to a tornado, large destructive hail to softball size is expected with this storm. This will affect El Reno, Yukon, Mustang, and Union City. National Weather Service in Norman has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Payne County in central Oklahoma, extreme southern Noble County in northern Oklahoma, north central Logan County in central Oklahoma until 6:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:19 p.m. Central Daylight Time, National Weather Service meteorologists detected a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado. This dangerous storm was located near Mulhall and moving east at 35 miles an hour. In addition to a tornado, large damaging hail up to 2 inches in diameter is expected with this storm. Locations impacted include Mulhall, Orlando, Lake Carl Blackwell, and Lake McMurtry. Take cover now in a storm shelter or an interior room of a sturdy building. Stay away from doors and windows. The tornado may be hit